We wanted to make a more versatile line for different applications, including both soil and soilless mediums. This gives the aggressive gardener an advantage without abandoning our trademark commitment to organics. This led to Soul. Because Roots Organics liquids are 100% organic, frankly, they're just a little too thick to be used in most hydroponic applications. Soul is not 100% organic, but is organically based, and with readily available pharmaceutical-grade micronutrition and chelates to aid in easy uptake and availability. In reality, Soul is more eco-friendly than many products that claim to be fully organic without certifications. Soul should be used in combination with heavy aeration and circulation in a large container. With adequate circulation and aeration, Soul is a simple-to-use, very effective nutrient that allows people to up their quantity and quality significantly, all while lowering your costs. The Grow, Bloom, and Infinity are the base of the Soul line. One distinction between Soul and Roots liquids is that you don't use the Grow all the way through the life cycle with Soul. You have a more traditional transition into Bloom. Infinity provides many of the same benefits of Trinity, like a sugar, kelp, and protein boost, with the addition of 3 amino chelates for extra help with nutrient uptake. Infinity also has bamboo extract as a natural source of silica, green tea extract to boost vigor and immunity, as well as grapeseed as a taste enhancer. Amino-Aide and Big Swell are the rock stars of the Soul line. Pretty much anyone running any line can get better results by adding these 2 products to their schedule. Amino-Aide is a veg boost, but more specifically a plant mass supplement that consists of complex amino acid blends formulated to increase plant vigor and yields. Chemists at Aurora created this blend of amino acids after extensive hands-on research into compounds that can be beneficial for plant growth and yields. Add 5 mL of this per gallon to any regimen and you'll see a noticeable difference in no time. If you're curious though, try a side-by-side comparison by growing one plant with Amino-Aide and one without. We think you'll be on board pretty quick. Big Swell is a bloom boost. It's best used throughout the flower cycle. In the first couple of weeks of flowering, 5 mL per gallon is fine, but during the later weeks, you may want to try bumping that up to 10 or even 15 mL per gallon if you think your plant can take it. Use Big Swell up until the last week or 2 of your flowering cycle, and this will result in a noticeable size and taste boost. Peak is our big PK boost. It's a great finisher, but can be used whenever a large boost of phosphorus and potassium is required. Peak also includes a hop extract, a natural source of micronutrition, as well as a natural preservative. Grow In is a highly concentrated nitrogen and calcium boost, and is essentially a 4 times stronger old-school cow mag that had about 2% nitrogen and 2% calcium. This product should not be overfed, but is incredibly effective at supplementing nitrogen and calcium. We call the Grow In our samurai sword. When used correctly by trained hands, it's one of the best weapons in the arsenal. But if used by untrained hands, it can be quite dangerous.